Hello there, how you doing? Hope you're well. Now it's time to do a little amendment on the van. So I got these from Halfords. Do you know what? They're a bit crap because they just slide off like that so easily. So I'm going to give them to oldest friend because he likes crap things. You can have these, oldest friend.
Are those the crap things?
Those are the crap things.
I like the crap things. Why I'm friends with you.
And what I've got is I've got some of this that I got from Amazon, some edging, trim it, you know what I mean, door trim edging. So I'm just going to fit that now and I'll show you how I do it. This is 4 meters in length. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run it down the door. There should be enough to do both front and back doors, both front doors, sorry, and the back door. And all you do is you just push it on to the edge, and it's got some metal grippers in, so it should have quite a strong hold, and it looks, I think, a bit better because it's quite a nice uniform edge. Do you not think? The nice thing about that is it does fit around the curves of the door nice. Now I'm going to stop here because this is the bottom panel where it's like double walled, so I'm going to stop there and cut that off. So what you do is it's in segments. Let me just show you. I think you can see they're in like segments where the metal clips are, so you basically just pick one, snip it, and then just tidy it up. There we go. Actually, that's not done too bad at all. I just shut the door and shut the side door. Not bad, right? I think that provides quite a good edge protector, that.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Well, it goes around the curves, alright.
That bit there, just... There you go. It's got on that.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks good. What's it like when you close it? Yep.
Yeah, I like that.
Good.
So I've got that all on there. Got it on nicely around that curve on the back. And done the tops, sorry. And done the passenger door and the side door. And because there was a bit left over, I just went under that bit there where I cut it off there. So I just wanted to show you that because I quite liked it as a product. It had really good reviews on Amazon. So that's all for now. You take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Just a short video. You know what to do about liking, subscribing, blah, blah, blah. Cheerio.